Hello there. I'm a wildlife biologist. I have dozens of trail cameras set up in different habitats. I go out regularly to download all the high-res photos and videos. I just checked some cameras I have in a forest. These cameras have captured pretty much everything you would expect to see in a northern forest, like American marten, red fox, mule deer, moose, and cougar. I'm on my way to check a camera I have by an old hunting cabin. Young people sometimes go there to have parties. I actually checked this camera the other day. There were some strange people in the photos, in what looked like Halloween costumes. I'm curious to see if there was a party again last night. Why is the camera laying on the ground? Maybe the photos will tell us. As I thought, not much happening during the day. Everything is quiet. This is 2 days ago. At night, all quiet yesterday afternoon, and then last night. Very strange. The camera does seem okay, so I'm just going to set it back up. There were also photos from early yesterday evening of a young couple that apparently spent the night in the cabin. There were photos of them leaving this morning. They didn't look like partiers or backpackers, so I'm not sure where they came from or where they went. The last stop this morning is a camera I have set up near a cave. Just pulled the photos from the camera. That is the cave. By the way, I came across that young couple. They said they were out walking and got disoriented in the dark, couldn't find their car, and spent the night in the cabin. They looked kind of spooked. Their Jeep was actually parked right here by the cave, so I gave them a ride up. They thanked me and wasted no time in hightailing it out of here. Let's see what else we have on the camera. Oh, a bear that sometimes lives in the cave. It's quite late in the season and he's probably getting ready to den for the winter. This was 2 days ago. Yep, animals get curious about the cameras. A coyote that evening. Where is he going, I wonder? And a fox just a few hours later. A wolf, probably a loner. Yesterday morning, moose. Interesting. The huge rack. Yesterday afternoon, white-tailed deer. You have no idea how many deer butt photos I have. Here's the Jeep. Nice Gladiator too. Capable if it got up here. Then the couple going for a walk and coming back. They found their way back to the Jeep all right, but had another problem. Mr. Bear. Look at that guy run. No wonder they sought refuge in the cabin. From the photos we saw of those weird party people, I bet it was a long night. Well, that's it for the cameras. I was up way too early this morning. I'm off to get some coffee and a cinnamon bun. See you later. And I hope you have a happy Halloween.